The Ship of Theseus, also known as Theseus Paradox, is a thought experiment that raises questions about identity, change, and the nature of material objects. The paradox is named after the ancient Greek hero Theseus, who is said to have sailed on a ship that was later restored over time. The question is whether the restored ship is still the same ship that Theseus sailed on. The paradox is usually presented in the following way. Imagine a ship made of wooden planks. Over time, as the planks deteriorate, they are replaced one by one until eventually, all of the original planks have been replaced. At this point, we must ask, is the ship still the same ship? If it is, how can it be the same ship if none of the original parts remain? On the other hand, if it is not the same ship, at what point did it become a different ship? The significance of the Ship of Theseus Paradox is that it challenges our intuitions about the nature of identity and material objects. It highlights the tension between the essential properties of an object and its accidental properties. Essential properties are the necessary conditions that define an object, while accidental properties are the contingent features that an object may have, but that do not define its essence. The paradox also raises questions about the role of time and change in the identity of an object. The Ship of Theseus Paradox has many applications in contemporary philosophy, particularly in the areas of metaphysics and ontology. It has been used to discuss the nature of personal identity, the relationship between mind and body, and the problem of universals. The paradox is also relevant in discussions about the ethics of cloning, the identity of artworks, and the conservation of historic artifacts. In our daily lives, the Ship of Theseus Paradox can help us to think critically about the things around us and the changes they undergo over time. For example, we might apply the paradox to our own bodies, asking whether we are still the same person we were 10 years ago, even though many of our cells have been replaced. We might also apply the paradox to our relationships, asking whether a friendship is still the same friendship if the people involved change over time. In summary, the Ship of Theseus Paradox is a philosophical thought experiment that challenges our intuitions about the nature of identity and material objects. Its significance lies in its ability to provoke deeper thinking about the essential and accidental properties of objects, the role of time and change in identity, and the ethical and practical implications of these issues.